Hello, we are in Novo Hotel. It's our last night. We are in the gym at the same time playground for the kids. So if you're planning for a vacation here in Camiguin, I think and I guess based on my experience, Nouveau Resort is one that I can highly recommend. So here's a sneak peek of this gym. We can see around here really. As you can see, this is the lounge where it's really colorful, good for the kids. If you have children would like to stick around, if you have teenagers and even adults can come here and play and have some pool. You have also a chessboard right here. What else? You get a ping pong, really good facility, and also you have this table here for a football. And I see around this facade is really good. The design is really nice. Get beautiful lights hang on the ceiling, really good for kids. Lanterns, colorful ones. And then this side you get some stationary bike. And you have your ball. And then right here on this side you have some weights for you to enjoy and some dumbbells. And you have your bench here, two of them, and then you have your really standard good this
Quick start. I-press na ito una ka ito kanahilo.
so ganyan na gani ma'am, malimot ko.
Treadmill.
Oh yeah, treadmill. Study treadmill.
Naba.
Yeah.
Quick start. Begin workout.
So you have a little orientation. Say hi to the vlog, ma'am.
Hi!
Sir, say hi to the vlog. Okay. And you get a mirror
Start na
right
din.
here. And of course, you have some bathroom and toilet for the gentleman. And look at that. It's really nice facility. You notice there's no door. I mean to say that this bathroom or your toilet is really kept clean. And your standard locker right here. And this is the table for concierge, whatever you like. Get some drinks right here and some menu for some quick snacks. You have it here. You want a tea, some pizza, pasta, soda, and kiddie plates. You have it all here. And I don't know what's this for, but maybe some oil, some scents, and then you have some goggles if you like to buy, balls if you want to rent, and here, I don't know. So we have here another table for another game, and then of course right over here is for the kids. Very colorful facility for the kids. So here is a playroom for the kids. If you have a baby to nurse, it's a really good facility. One good thing about this area is this is facing the beach area. You may never see the beach from here, but at least you have a view of the outside of the hotel, which is you get a playground right here outside. You cannot see it because of the reflection, but as you go outside you can see trees, palm trees, the green grass and the walkways. That is, and you can see of course, the water, and at the beach. And then right there's the pool. So what a good way to make your morning exercise. And seeing the beautiful scenery around you. Once you get out of this facility, you're just adjacent, very close to the main hotel. So I'm gonna get out. Here it is. This is the hotel, and you can see the walkways are really lighted well. And then where the sounds are coming from is the kitchen and the restaurant, where you get your morning breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. So this is our evening tour of Nouveau Rewort, located in Camiguin, Philippines. For those who would like to visit the Philippines, inviting you to really experience Philippines at its best. White sand, white island, beautiful skies, beautiful water, crystal clear blue waters. So this is quite huge, not quite huge, but it's big for Camiguin. So you get here, your palm trees, a playground for the kids, your artificial grass, and this one here is rubberized, something kids would really love and enjoy. This place is really good for families. Over here you get to see the pool. It's just shallow for family, and then you get a gazebo. There's a bar right there. See, and these chairs, maybe this can light up if they would want to. You get umbrellas. So here you get to see more and more of this area right here. So you get a lighted pool, always kept clean. Look at this. And a playground over there for the children. More chairs right here. More chairs, more chairs. And this is a bar where you can order some drinks and quick snacks. Look at this. Wow, this is really beautiful. And over here is, you can get your towels if you want to enjoy the pool. And here's the bigger pool, but this is only 4 feet. Way to go. Really nice place. Based on my experience, this is one thing that I can promote. I can recommend to visitors in the Philippines at sa mga kababayan natin na nag-i-intend na magpasyal, magbakasyon. And we have another restaurant right there. As you can see, this lighted house here. This is very close to the sea. So here you can hear the birds chirping. Oh man. That one is a restaurant. It's more of a bar. So you can chill out right here. Order some drinks if you may. Want to really mellow down for the night after a day's tour of the islands. You can see here. Oh man. I probably can say you got all the drinks you probably want after a day of island hopping, swimming, snorkeling. Hello! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi po.
Hello.
Welcome to Nouveau Resort.
Thank you very much. Here, you can order some dinner. So, dinner din ni ma'am is okay ra? Pwede rin gyapon ang dinner din eh? Pwede. So, the same gyapon ang food dito? Or dito gyapon siya i-order? Or dito siya
Dito
gina?
siya i-order and dine in, sir.
So, dito lutoon siya tapos dalon dito siya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tapos diri drinks siya?
Yes, Yes, sir.
More siya diri sa drinks.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
More
So
drinks and steaks.
your name is Marge?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So you heard it from Marge.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Marge.
Thank you.
So this is a place where you can have some steaks. And have some steaks and then have some wine. Okay. Bottle of a beer. You may. Yeah, it's a good place for you to unwind. Let's go over here. This is the seaside. So you have a walkway too. The seaside, maybe tomorrow we'll have a tour. And up there, there's a little pier. Yeah, you cannot see, but this crystal clear. And you get a view deck, if you may, with some chairs and tables. We can dine out under the moonlit sky, right there over the water. What a good way to enjoy paradise. So this is Camiguin, one of the top island destinations in the Philippines. Highly recommend. This place is really kept really clean, and that you have walkways that are lighted. You can just walk around even at night. Just want to chill out, maybe escape from the busy routines of city work. But look at that. So you have a lot of rooms if you're coming over in a group. Well, you don't have to worry about it because you got covered. Hello, sir. Ikaw ang duty for the night na guard? Oh, hindi natin makikita kasi napaka napaka dark. So these are the canoe, sir. Kayak. Unsa man ni siya? Canoe, kayak. Unsa man? Kayak. Oh, this is kayak. Kayaks. Never see it because it's really very dark. Kana pwede ko diha kalakaw, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go over here in the pier. We got a place. Unsay gadak diri, sir?
Sometimes ang speedboat.
Speedboat. Pero kasagara dito, no? Sa
Dito na.
unahan. Oh, I see. Thank you, sir, ha? Oh. So I've said is you can see there are really rows and rows and rows of buildings here. You got how many? It's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6, 7. So they have really a huge accommodation if you're coming over as a group. You get covered. So you have another roof deck right there. Yeah. I'll pass over here. Look at this. It's so nice, so dark. So dark right here. Oh, so you have this really nice, cozy, yeah, circular chair, if you may. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, good really for picture taking. It's really unique. We come over here and there's another function hall here. This building for weddings, maybe birthdays, whatever occasions you may have. And let's come. So this is a property right here. Structure looks like a tree house. Okay, so you have the roof deck where you can just chill out. Come over here. So this one is used as a dock for the speedboats, the hotel, transportation from the mainland Mindanao. So this is the circular stairs going up. We're not going there. So here's the pier. Look here on the side, you can see really crystal clear water. Lots of rocks. Here too, lots of rocks. That's really the ideal beach that you may have. But of course, the ambience and the feeling of a paradise, because there are swimming areas here in Camiguin. But of course, you can just take a dip if you may. Maybe get a paddle board or something like that. So here you can see, wow, the view. So you have some friends, chill out, relax, get a bottle of some drink, and chill out the night away here, talking and getting cozy. So that's it. We're going to end this tour ride here because this video is really taking us really long. So salamat mga kababayan. If you like this video, want to see more travel videos here in the Philippines, introducing to you properties and resorts that you may want to visit. And if you want to if you're a traveler who wants to get information before booking an accommodation or planning a trip, you may subscribe to our channel because we'll be providing you that information hopefully in the future. So this is My Exciting Philippines, introducing to you exciting travels that you may have in the Philippines. Subscribe and follow us in our social medias. We have our Facebook, Biyahe Tayo, we have Happy Traveler, and of course My Exciting Philippines page. So I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you. Peace out. Bye bye.